Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make cinnamon muffins. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to add in your bowl is 1 tablespoon of margarine, half a cup of sugar, and 2 eggs. Beat until fluffy. The next thing you're going to add is 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use cake flour if you have, and half a cup of milk. Mix everything well until it's all incorporated so well. So after that, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, which is the main ingredient. That's it for today. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you also have any questions, you can always comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Bye.